am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let us see how to share files to other PC or laptop which are connected to the same Wi-Fi. First, open terminal. We need to find the IP address. So type this command to find your IP address. Okay, so this is the IP address. Next, we need to find the path to the file or the folder which you want to share. I'm going to downloads, Pritam, movies, English. Okay, here we got all the movies which I want to share. So now let's go to the required path in the terminal. Okay, here we are. We got the movies over here. Now type this command to host these files. Okay, now it's hosted. Now let's check this out in another PC which is connected to the same Wi-Fi. First enter the IP address which we found, colon the port number. The 9000 was the port number which we chose. So okay, it's loading. Okay, it's done. So now let us check to download this. So click on, I'm going to download Aquaman. Okay, now the movie is getting downloaded, but I'm going to cancel because I already have it. Let me download this SRT file. You see, it's downloaded now. Now let's go to the terminal. You can see the status of the download in the terminal. Now you gotta get requests for the movie and it has been cancelled. You can even check the status for the SRT file. And in order to stop hosting the server, you need to press Ctrl+C. Thank you.